In this series, we are learning the sounds of our language, and in today's class, we'll see the letter H, O-H. O-H will appear in these positions in Portuguese: at the beginning of a word, after the letter C, after the letter L, and after the letter N. And do you think it has the same pronunciation in all of these cases? Well, let's check it out. OH is not pronounced when it is at the beginning of a word, as it happens in English with the words honest, our. So, in Portuguese, there is no exception. If the letter H is at the beginning of a word, it must be silent. Repeat after me. História, herói, helicóptero, homem. Now, whenever it is after a C, we must pronounce the C and H as sh. So again, whenever you see these two letters here together, you must pronounce them as sh, as in shiny, shoes. So repeat after me. Chá, che, chi, xó, chu. Muito bem. Let's see some words with CH. Chácara. Repita. Chapéu. Cachecol. Cachorro. Chuva. Now, if you see it after an L, you must make the L, which is similar to what we have in million. Lhan, million. Lha. Lhe. Li. Lhó. Lhu. Let's see it in some words. Repeat after me. Abelha. Coelho. Ovelha. Galho. Folha. Muito bem. Well, whenever it comes after the letter N, both N and H should be pronounced as N, N. It's similar to what we have at the end of words such as king, ring. So repeat after me. Nha. Nhé. Nhi. Nhó. Nhu. Now let's see them in some words. Some animals now. Galinha. Pintinho. Aranha. Joaninha. Gafanhoto. The letter H can also appear after the letter T in some names. For instance, here we have Thiago without an H and Thiago with an H. So see, it doesn't change a thing regarding pronunciation. It is Thiago, Thiago. Samantha, Samantha. Another curious occurrence is in the word Bahia. Bahia is one of the Brazilian states. So see, we have the letter H in Bahia, but the letter H is silent. Yes, it's silent. We may also see the letter H in some interjections. Interjections are those short words we use to express emotions. And guess what? The ones that contain H. Is the H silent? Ah, that's right. So, for example, this interjection here that we use to express joy, admiration, even surprise, we say, ah, ah. Yes, there is an H, but the H is silent. Another common another common interjection in Portuguese that we can use when you don't understand something or we didn't hear what the person said. This one. So the H is silent. An option to can be em. And as you can see, em has different ways to be spelled out. Em. Another one. That's not good. And finally, this one that we can use to confirm or agree with what was said, or even to show the other person that you're there paying attention, you know. However, here the H is not silent. I have to pronounce it with a right? So this interjection would be So next time someone asks you, do you like Português? Você gosta de português? Very good, very good. Thank you for watching another class. If you like them, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments and questions below. They are very important for you and me. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau.